In this quick Telegram tutorial, we are going to learn how to log out of Telegram on PC. We will show you the slightly hidden button to sign out of Telegram Desktop and Telegram Web, and also how to perform a remote logout using your phone to secure your account from anywhere. You have been using Telegram on a work computer, a library PC, or maybe just a friend's laptop. It's great for typing fast, but now you need to leave. You look at the menu, but you don't see a big log out button right away. You might just close the window thinking you are safe, but you're actually still logged in. I'm your host, and in this guide, I'm going to show you that simply closing the app does not protect your messages. Telegram keeps you logged in by default. We will walk through the specific steps to find the logout option, which is tucked away inside the settings menu. We will also cover a panic button scenario. If you have already left the computer and forgot to sign out, I will teach you how to use your phone to remotely terminate the session and kick that computer off your account instantly. By the end of this video, your chats will be secure. To follow along, you need a computer with Telegram Desktop or Telegram Web currently open and logged in. For the remote method, you will need your smartphone with the Telegram app installed and logged into the same account. You also need an active internet connection on both devices for the commands to sync properly. Let's start with method 1, logging out directly from the computer. Open your Telegram Desktop app or the web version. Look at the top left corner of the screen where you see the 3 horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu. Click on those lines to open the main menu. From this menu, you need to click on Settings. This will open a new window or panel with your profile picture and various options. Now this is the tricky part where most people get stuck. You will not see Log Out in this main list. You need to look at the top right corner of this settings menu for 3 vertical dots. Click on those 3 dots. A small drop-down menu will appear, and there it is. You will see the option Log Out. Click it. Telegram will ask you to confirm if you really want to log out. Click Log Out again to confirm. The app will reset to the Start Messaging screen, meaning you are safely signed out. Now for method 2, remote logout from your phone. This is perfect if you forgot to log out and you're already on your way home. Open Telegram on your phone. Tap on the settings icon in the bottom corner on iPhone or the 3 lines and then Settings on Android. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Devices. This screen is your security command center. It shows you every single computer and tablet that has access to your account. Look at the list under Active Sessions. You will see Desktop or the name of the PC you used. Tap on that computer's name. A big red button will appear that says Terminate Session. Tap that button. You will be asked to confirm. Once you tap Confirm, the Telegram app on that computer will instantly be logged out, no matter where it is in the world. If you use a shared computer often but don't want to fully log out every time because you hate typing the code, you can use a local passcode. In the privacy and security settings on your PC, you can set a passcode. This locks the app after a few minutes of inactivity, requiring a password to open it again, but it doesn't delete your data like logging out does. However, for public computers, always use the full logout method. Never rely on just closing the window. What if the remote logout isn't working? If you just logged into that computer a few minutes ago, Telegram might block you from terminating the session immediately for security reasons. Sometimes you have to wait a few hours before the Terminate button becomes active for a brand new device. In that case, you must go back to the PC physically to log out. If you're trying to log out on the PC and the app freezes, simply force close the program and open it again, then try the steps one more time. So we have reached the end of our guide. We have learned how to log out of Telegram on PC properly to protect your privacy. We found the hidden button inside the settings menu for a direct logout, and we learned how to use the devices menu on our phone to perform a remote logout if we forget. You now have total control over where your account is active. I truly hope this Telegram security tutorial was helpful for you. If it was, please give this video a like. It helps the channel a lot. And if you're interested in more social media tips and privacy guides, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Finally, I have a question for you. Leave a comment below and tell me, do you prefer using Telegram on your phone or your computer? I find the computer keyboard much faster for long chats. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.